What is the work of laundry in a five-star hotel? Laundry is a part of housekeeping department, but laundry is independently run by the laundry manager. All the activities within the laundry is handled by the laundry manager, and the laundry manager needs to coordinate with the executive housekeeper. As we know, housekeeping department is responsible for providing clean, hygienic, and aesthetic environment in a hotel. If the hotel is looking very beautiful, very neat and clean, then there is a contribution of housekeeping department also. If we are talking about the guest room has to be neat and hygienic. Even the linens which are used in a room, like bed sheets, pillow cover, towels, all these linens need to be clean and hygienic. These are made clean and hygienic by the laundry department of a hotel. If the laundry department of hotel is not working properly, is not fulfilling his responsibilities properly, then what would happen? Then the linen what we received is not clean properly, or we are not receiving the linen on a time. Because of that, in cleaning the room, it will become delay. We are not able to clean the room on time because of lack of linens. We are not able to do a bed making, and because of that, room could not be sold to the guest on a time. So laundry plays very important role. Because of laundry, even the staffs are looking very presentable, neat and clean.